mission that we have is to prevent a militant Islamic regime from meeting up with nuclear weapons or from nuclear weapons meeting up with a militant Islamic regime. The first is called Iran. The second is called Pakistan.
There is absolutely no concern whatsoever in the military that Pakistan can become the next target. Absolutely no concern. It's because there is a sea of difference between these two countries and Pakistan. We are an established and declared nuclear power. And the world has no experience of going to or even attempting to go into a misadventure against an established nuclear power. And if such a misadventure is taken or attempted to, then it will lead to horrific consequences which the world may not be able to endure.